Hey guys, I'm Jeff. Welcome to my channel. I'm starting a project here. I'm kind of glad you're here to see it. I've taken up mountain biking recently, and I'm coming to find out when I ride trails, the rating of the community versus what I think they are two completely different things. So my vision is to take you on my weight loss journey as I try out different mountain biking trails and provide you a review from a beginner's point of view, like myself. I'll give you the details of the trail, my thoughts on it, and I'll wrap up each episode with a full trail ride. So you'll get to see the trail from start to finish, no edits. If I stop for a break, I will pause the video, but you're going to see it unedited from start to finish, and you can decide if this trail is right for you. So hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy the commentary, and let's all have fun.
Today we're going to review the Hercules Trail, which is located at Enterprise South Nature Park in Chattanooga, Tennessee. The trail is 0.3 miles long and has little to no elevation change. You're going to find a couple different features on this trail. There are a couple little jumps, there's a couple berms, and even a little bridge to cross. The trail consensus amongst mountain bikers is this is a beginner level trail. It's not on the Trailforks app. If you're looking for the trail, it's in the parking lot across from the Black Forest Trail. When I rode this trail, the conditions were pretty dry. There was a couple little wet spots. Overall, I'd say this is the ultimate beginner level trail. You can actually sit in the parking lot and watch your kids practice if you want. It's that wide and open. If you're just trying out mountain biking, it's flat. There's nothing really to hit. You got plenty of room. If you feel like it and you're really up for it, there's plenty of other places to go as well. So let's go take a ride and look at it.
Well, that's the review of the trail. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel. You can watch all their crazy stuff I do, whether it's jokes or drone flying or even more mountain biking trails. And we'll see you in the next one.